Quantum computers can be exponentially faster than classical computers, solving problems in seconds that would take thousands to millions of years on traditional supercomputers.
Introducing a breakthrough in quantum computing.
Microsoft introduces breakthrough in quantum computing model, which even explain fourth state of matter. Quantum computers are advanced machines that use qubits. Unlike classical computers, which use bits, 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. Qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously due to superposition.
The Majorana 1.
Microsoft's Majorana 1 chip uses new topological core architecture, designed to enhance qubit stability and scalability.
A new approach that ignores the limitations of current models.
Previous quantum models faced high error rates, scalability issues, fragile qubits, and short coherence times, limiting practical applications. Majorana 1 is useful in medicine as it enables ultra-fast drug discovery and molecular simulations, accelerating the development of new treatments and personalized medicine.